Welcome back to my little corner of the internet. Already 2 weeks into 2026. Time flies, guys. Starting my week with some simple and warm oats. So I'm adding some jaggery for sweetness. I know some people prefer brown sugar, but I don't have that. That's my cat. She came to say hi. Hello, kitty. I'm going to add half a banana to the oats for some flavor. And guys, this is what it looks like. Simple, plain banana flavored oats. And then I'm gonna top it up with the remaining banana, some frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries, and then some ground flax seeds. And this is what it looks like. It's become my staple brekkie for the last 2 weeks. A quick photo shoot for the gram. So my other cat decided to join me on the table. Oh well, this table is hers now. Hello. Hi, Miss Tiara. She's a cuddle bug, but she's also a troublemaker. Like, don't get fooled by her looks. I started to feel sleepy, so I decided to have some matcha. I'm someone who likes matcha. I know it tastes like grass, but it's like an acquired taste, and I do actually enjoy having that over coffee. I think it's pretty dark in here. I think I'm gonna turn on the lights. I don't know if I like it with the lights turned on, but this is what the matcha looks like. I'm using this brand Naoki. It's a ceremonial grade matcha. This is my little coffee corner, by the way. I have my cups, coffees, teas, sugar, all placed in this little organizer. I got this from Amazon. And then, yeah, this is my Nespresso machine. I haven't used it in like 3 to 4 weeks at this point. And this is my matcha setup, and that's the hot chocolate maker that I have. Yeah, I like it. It's cute. The sunlight makes it look like beetle green at this point. It's weird. And oh, hey, Tiara. I like my mornings to be peaceful over chaotic. I'll usually have my breakfast with tea, coffee on my table overlooking through my balcony. And of course, I'll have some cats around me. I mentioned this in one of my previous vlogs that my plants did not survive this winter at all. These two plants, or perennials, I think, are the only ones that have green leaves. Everything else was just dead. I had to clean them up today. So it looks better even if there are no plants at the moment. And this is my little welcome to the balcony sign. Of course, my other cat, Tiny, decided to join me. She loves balcony. She has her own YouTube channel where I have recorded some of her adventures in the balcony. She'll get to go there once we have good weather, so usually in spring. This is what the view looks like from my bedroom. I love the fact that I can see my balcony from living room as well as my bedroom. As you can see, no plants. I just cleaned them up. They were all dead. I saw this vegetarian ramen recipe online and I've been meaning to give it a try. I'm just sauteing some spring onion, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, black vinegar. And guys, this recipe called for broccoli. I hate broccoli, but I'm required to eat broccoli in some shape or form. So I thought I'd give it a try. Adding in some water and coconut milk to the sauteed ginger garlic mixture. The broccoli is done, but I needed my mushrooms to be a little more charred. I love how colorful this looks like. I have some spring onion and chives for topping, but I am going to skip on the green Thai chili. It might be too spicy for me. Here I'm adding some miso paste. This will give umami flavor to the broth. I prefer rice noodles, so that's what I'm going to be using today for my ramen. Assembly time. I think the rice noodles came out well. I am now going to start placing in the broccoli, and then the mushrooms go next to it. I'm still not sure about the broccoli, but I'm going to have it nonetheless. I completely forgot to mention that I added bean sprouts to my broth. Garnished with some chili oil, sesame seeds, and a little bit of spring onions. I think it looks good after plating. Time for some noodle check. I think I'm satisfied with the way it turned out. I always need to look out at the nature while I'm eating. It's just so peaceful. All done with my ramen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.